Hi everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will do some example for section 2.7 about inverse functions. Look at number 1. Find f of g of x and g of f of x and determine whether the pair of function f and g are inverses of each other. So now back to definition about the inverse of function. Okay, let f and g be two functions such that f of g of x equal x for every x in the domain of g. Okay, and g of f of x equal x for every x in the domain of f. Okay, the function g is the inverse of the function f. Okay, and denoted by f with the subscript -1, or we can read f inverse. Okay, that f of f inverse of x equal x and f inverse of f of x equal x. The domain of x, the domain of f is equal to the range of f inverse and vice versa. Okay, so this is definition about the inverse of function. So now back to the problem. F of x equal for x and g of x equal x over 4. Okay, so we're looking for a f of g of x. Okay, so now it's mean, yeah, look at the function f of x is 4x. I just put on the top over here, this is 4x. Okay, so it's mean you just look at for that one. So it's mean you just check the x or replace x with g of x. Okay, so now after this, 4 times replace g of x with x over 4. Follow, yeah? So now this is cancel, yeah? Become 1. So the answer is x. Now, B. Find g of f of x. Look at the function g of x is, I just put on the top a small thing, yeah? X over 4, like this. Okay? So now, you just change, replace x with f of x over 4. Okay, now replace f of x with 4x, okay, over 4. Cancel. So the answer become x. Will follow, yeah? So now go to C. The question is, we have to choose the function f and g are inverse or not. Okay, so now look at C. Since both f of g of x and g of f of x evaluate to x, right? From the A, so I can write down again over here, equal x and, okay, so because they are the same, yeah, equal x, so the function f and g are inverse. So this one, so inverses, okay? So the function f of x and g of x are inverses. So we choose this one, okay? So f and g are inverses of each other. Okay, now back to go to the number 2. The same question, yeah? So we can just go directly. So for A, so I just look at again. I just write down on the top small thing, yeah? So the f is 3x plus 7. Okay. So now you just replace x with g of x. Okay. So become 3 times g of x plus 7. After this, you just replace g of x 3 times g of x is x minus 7 over 3. Yeah, this is g of x. Yeah. So plus, don't forget, plus 7. Okay, you simplify, yeah? You can cancel. So the answer become x minus 7 plus 7. So the answer is x. Now B. G of f of x. So look at the question for g of x. I just put on the top small x minus 7 over 3. Okay. Now you just replace, yeah, x with f of x. I put f of x minus 7 over 3. Okay, replace f of x with 3x plus 7. Okay, this is f of x, yeah, minus 7, don't forget, over 3. So the answer become 3x over 3 equal, answer is x. Okay, now, since both f of g of x equal x and g of f of x equal x, the function f of x and g of x are inverses. Okay, because the same. Yeah, the answer is the same. Look at it over here. This is x, this is x. So the function f and g are inverses of each other. Okay. Okay, continue to number 3 now. Everybody follow, yeah? Same thing, okay? You have to find f of g of x, okay? So now I put a over here, okay? F of g of x, okay? F, I just write down small thing, yeah? On the top, so you can just not make mistake to x minus 9, the f, yeah? The function of f, okay? So now just replace x with g of x. So 2 times g of x minus 9. Okay, so now after this, you just replace g of x with x plus 2 over 9 minus 9. Okay, what next? So you just simplify, yeah? So now simplify, you have time on the top, okay? So it means 2 times x become 2x plus 2 times 2 is plus 4 over 9 minus 9. So we have to make the same denominator. Okay, so become, so 2x plus 4 over 9 minus, we need 9 over here. Yeah, so just 9 times 9 is, you just look at for here. Yeah, this is 9, you just time with 9. So the answer become 81. Okay, so now you just answer this one. So the answer become 2x plus 4 minus 81 over 9. Okay, so the answer is 2x 4 minus 81. The answer is minus 77 over 9. This is for A. Okay, now go to B. B is g of f of x equal, I write down here, the small thing on the top. So g is on the top x plus 2 over 9. See? Yeah. So after that, you just replace x with f of x. Okay, so f of x plus 2 over 9. So replace f of x with 2x minus 9. Don't forget, plus 2 over 9. Yeah. So now, what the answer is? The answer becomes 2x negative 9 plus 7 is minus 7 over 9. Okay, and look at, we got answer for A and B. Now go to C. Okay, since, yes, since f of g of x not equal x, yeah, because the answer is to x minus 77 over 9, and g of f of x not equal x. Look at, yeah, this is 2x minus 7 over 9. Yeah, it's not equal. So f and g are not inverses. Okay, so it's not inverse. So it's this one, f and g are not inverse. Which one? Yeah. So which one the answer? The first one. F and G are not inverses of each other. Okay. Now go to number 4. So the same, yeah. So do again. Just write down f of g of x. Okay. So now the function, if the g of x is x, yeah. Okay. Or we just plug in, yeah. So the function f of g of x over here, so just replace with g of x. So g of x is equal x. So this is x. The second one, g of f of x. But the question for g is the same. It's x2, yeah? I just write down on the top over here. So after this, you just replace x with f of x. That's right. So what's that? The f of x is x. Okay? So now this is x. So because both of them, yeah, is equal x, so the function is, yes, inverses. So the function is f and g are inverses of each other. Okay? Go to the next one. So now, do the same thing. Okay? So now select the correct choice below and fill in the answer boxes to complete your answer choice. Just add again over here, yeah? So find the f of g of x equal what the function of f, I just put on the top, yeah? Root 7 x minus 6. That's right. So I just replace x with g of x. So root 7, replace x with g of x minus 6. That's right. So now replace again, yeah, g of x with x to the 7 plus 6, yeah. Don't forget minus 6. Okay. So the answer this becomes 0, yeah. So root 7 x to the 7. So this one become cancel each other, yeah. So the answer is x. Okay. Now the second one, trying to find g f of x. Just write down the small thing here. The function of g is x to the 7 plus 6. Okay. So now, okay, so just change, yeah, replace x with f of x. So I just put f of x to the 7 plus 6. Okay, equal, replace f of x with root 7, yeah, x minus 6 to the 7 plus 6. So now look at again. This is cancel, yeah? That's right. So now the answer is become x minus 6 plus 6. So the answer is negative 6 plus 6 is 0, yeah? So the answer become x. So which one you choose over here? So the second one, yeah, B, yeah? So you have to fill out B over here. The answer for this is x, because function f and g are inverses of each other. Now go to the next one. Now, the function f of x equal x plus 5 is 1 to 1. Find an equation for f inverse of x, the inverse function. Okay, so now first, yeah, the step, yeah, to find the inverse of f of x 1. Okay, replace f of x with y. Okay, so function, the first one is this is f of x equal x plus 5, yeah? So replace f of x with y. So the answer become y equal x plus 5. Follow, yeah? Step 2. Interchange the variables x and y in the equation. Okay, so change the y equal x plus 5, yeah, this question. Now you have to change x, y become x become y. So change this one become x, become y, So the answer x equal y plus 5. Step 3. Solve the given equation for y. Okay, write down again, yeah. So x equal y plus 5. So we need y equal. Okay, so just move 5 to the left, become minus. So the answer become x minus 5 equal y. We can write down y equal x minus 5. This is the same. Okay, after that, step 4. Okay, replace y with f inverse of fx. Okay, the question is y equal x minus 5, yeah? You just need replace y with f inverse of x. So just put f inverse of x, x minus 5. Okay, this is the step to solve, to find the inverse. Okay, just go to the next one. Same, yeah? Find a formula for the inverse f of x equals 6x. Okay, can go directly, yeah? First, remember, replace f of x with y. Okay, so f of x equals 6x. So replace f of x with y. So I just put y equal 6x. Okay, the second one, step 2. Interchange the variable x and y in the equation. So you change, yeah, this one become, I just change color first. Remember, sorry, change color. Okay, change color, become x equal 6. This is become y. Okay, remember our goal to find y equal, our goal. Yeah, so it means we have to divide by 6, divide by 6. So the answer become x over 6 equal y. So you can write down y equal x over 6. Yeah, I'll just go directly to the step 3. Yeah. Step 3. So now, after that, replace y with f inverse. So just y equal x over 6. Just replace f inverse of x equal x over 6. So, yeah. So the answer is x over 6. Okay, now go to the next one. Now, the same, yeah? We have to find the inverse function. Okay, step 1, remember again? Replace f of x with y, yeah? I just write down the problem f of x equal 3x plus 2. So you have to replace with y. So y equal 3x plus 2. But next, change y with x equal change x with y. That's right. So now after that, next step 3, yeah? You need y equal. Okay. So now the question going down a little bit. Okay. So now we need, this is x equal 3y plus 2. So move this one to the left, become negative, yeah? So x minus 2 equal 3y. I need y. So I have to divide by 3 by 3. Yeah, so the answer becomes x minus 2 over 3 equal y. Okay, now replace y with f inverse of x. So now it's y equal x minus 2 over 3. So we replace y with f inverse of x equal x minus 2 over 3. Yeah, it's not hard, yeah? Okay, now go to number 9. The function f of x equal x cubed minus 2 is 1 to 1. So you have to find the inverse function. The same, yeah? So step 1, you need to replace, yeah? I just write down, replace f of x with y, yeah? So it becomes y equal x cubed minus 2. Okay, what next? Change y with x, x with y. Follow? 3, find y equal. We need y equals something. Okay, so it means x equal y cubed minus 2. So move to the left, become plus. So the answer become x plus 2 equal y cubed. Now, what we have to do now? Both sides, yeah, do root cube, root cube. Okay, so the answer become root cube x plus 2 equal, is cancel, become y. Okay, so now step 4, replace y with f inverse. So you can write down f inverse of x equal cube root x plus 2. Here we go. Okay, so now go to number 10. This is the last one. The function f of x equal 11 over x, x not equal 0, is 1 to 1. Find an equation for f inverse of x, the inverse function. So same, yeah? First step. Okay, replace again, yeah? Replace, just write down first, 11 over x. Replace over x with y. Okay, so we can write down y equal 11 over x. Number 2, change y with x. Yeah, change y with x. Becomes x equal 11 over y. Number 3, solve it. Yeah, for y. So I just move this one. Yeah, y. You can just x and y just misplace. Yeah, so y equal 11 over x. Yeah, moves place. Yeah. So now, number 4, let's step 4, replace y with f inverse of x. So it becomes 11 over x. Okay, that's all. So we're going to do again the same, yeah, the same example for the another section. See you. Bye-bye.